ways to bring opera to a larger audience outside the opera house.
We will be back with Act 3 of Strauss's Der Rosenkavalier in just a moment.
Now, a next cameo. You know, when I have the summer off, and I don't have school, and I don't have the Met, I don't know what to do with myself. Lena Chimay spends 10 months of the year running back and forth between ushering at the Met and her day job. I am an elementary school teacher, 4th grade, get up 5:30 every morning. I am tired, but I love coming to the Met. I don't want to ever give this up. Needless to say, Chimay has her students listen to opera. I want them to get used to hearing what they think is very funny, and the first time they'll laugh at the voice, and they'll make fun of it. But after 1 or 2 times, they ask me, can you put on that music again? She may also find things to confuse her opera patrons. For instance, they don't recognize right and left. I wave my arms out to show them. She may loves ushering at the Met, except when she has to tell people they can't enter the hall after the opera has started. I feel so sorry for them. I saw a lady hysterically crying when I was a new usher, and I got so upset for her, because I thought at that time, what if they locked me out of a Frank Sinatra concert? I'd probably get on the floor and cry too. When I was a new usher, I didn't obey the rules, and I left somebody in, and I made them promise they would stay in the standing room and not go to their seats. And of course, they disobeyed me, and they went to their seats, and I learned my lesson. I said, never again. Forget about it. I became a teacher all of a sudden that night. Lena Chimay, the strictest usher at the Met, bringing me this Met cameo. I'm Naomi Nolan.
I'm Margaret Junkway, commentator Iris Stiff is with me. We're about to hear the third and final act of Richard Strauss's Der Rosenkavalier. In the previous act, there was a tryst set up between Baron Ochsen and chambermaid Mariando, who's actually Octavian in disguise. This act takes place at the inn where they'll have that tryst, and Octavian is planning on giving Baron Ochsen
She wanted a bath. No, all that was about she wanted a bath.
Mariando. The Baron tries to get his date nice and plump, but weird
Well, no, she's got in it.
scaring faces and monsters popping out of trapdoors.
She's in it, yes.
Eventually, Anina runs in. She's wearing a disguise, and she's followed by a bunch of children who are screeching that Ox is their father. It all gets so chaotic that Ox calls the police. But the police are suspicious of him, and Ox insists that he's innocent. He claims that Mariando is his fiancée. But then Sophie and her father arrive, of course, and it threatens to turn into a terrible scandal until the Marshland shows up. Well, she calls off the engagement between Sophie and the Baron, and everyone calms down and leaves, except for the Marshland, Octavian, and Sophie. And this is the moment of truth. The Marshland knows it's time to let Octavian go. She leaves gracefully, and Octavian and Sophie are able to have a happy ending.
Oh, that ending is simply ravishing. For me, the third act of Rosenkavalier has 2 distinct parts, before and after the Marshland arrives. The early part of the act is a broad farce with stage play, Octavian hamming it up with the court chambermaid Mariando. And when the Marshland arrives, she takes control, and musically everything changes from play acting and intrigue and returns to the story of the heart and its vulnerabilities as in Act 1.
Octavian is trying to speak to the women he loves. He just doesn't know what to do or say.
Well, as in real life, it's the women who are stronger and wiser. Sophie senses Octavian's love for the Marshal, and the Marshal realizes she must end her affair with Octavian, perhaps sooner than she expected or was prepared for. It's a wonderful, nervous moment in which Sophie starts to babble that way that she does, and the Marshal stops her and takes charge. She puts the she herself dying inside.
And then time stops again for the climax of the opera, that magnificent trio, each of the 3 characters expressing their thoughts and feelings.
Marshall launches the trio with a gently soaring phrase that perfectly expresses her nobility and grace. She says she's bound to love Octavian selflessly, even to embrace his love for another woman. The 3 voices tie together the emotional threads of the story.